we made it to Shedfest. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This is the best taxi I've experienced. Not a ring taxi, but actually Birmingham taxi, because that's where I landed today and got picked up by. It's still one of the cars that I would really love to take out on the ring, maybe one day. Anyway, the reason why we're here, tada, we are at Podium Place. And I've been hearing about this place all the time. Every single car YouTuber has been here talking a lot about them, so I wanted to check out what's happening here. As a matter of fact, there is a very special event taking place today here. But let's have a look on the inside. They also make very nice coffee over there. They make it themselves. Let me actually show it to you. Look at that. They roast their own coffee, and they also make tours and events and all kinds of things. It's basically a massive man cave. It's basically what I would want to have one day, as what I want to do one day. Organize events, make coffee, do cool car stuff. What a setup. Amazing. Nice, nice, nice. Unfortunately, this part of Podium is now already closing, but I had my coffee, amazing latte. What kind of latte did I have? Was it something special?
Regular latte.
Regular latte. It tasted definitely more than regular to me. And now we are going to the unveiling of Aston Martin Valkyrie. Spider is called. Yes, not just a Valkyrie. And lots of other cool things. Food, tasty things. Anyway, let's have a look behind. I love the message. Very good. Something that needs to be plastered all over the Nürburgring for certain types of people. I'm getting old, I know, I'm horrible. Lots of cool cars here. Familiar name. You might have seen a car being unveiled this week with that name on it. Maybe we could do a lap. Detailing as well. Oh, that's a familiar car. We did laps with it last year, but it was on horrible tires. Ah, I love it when people listen. Fantastic PS4Ss. For this type of weather, it should definitely work. Maybe we can do some more laps with it this year. Nice. So cool. I've never driven one of those before. This is the first time for everything. Oh, the boot space is massive. And we have a spare. Fantastic. And I just noticed you're running Air once on the NS6 in this weather. Crazy man.
Yeah,
we could have died.
That's what I was telling you.
We could have died. Yeah, you said same mistakes. I thought, oh, maybe in that's 2 hours, we'll be fine. Oh, yeah.
Easy.
Yes. She purrs. Nice kitten. Road to success, van. Ah, the smell of no catalytic converters.
Yeah, no cat.
I'll be the star of the show. Oh, wow. Ooh.
Would you like a drink, Squire?
I would like some Gert sauces.
If you'd like to buy some Gert sauces, click the link in Misha's description. They are fantastic. They're only UK shipping currently, but they are je ne sais quoi. Hello.
Hi.
I just had him in the back of my van.
They doing barber stuff here?
Yeah, I'm about to get my hair cut.
That's sick. Alright. That looks like the Nürburgring. Let me have a go. I was too busy getting the important stuff, coffee, because
Hey, do you want to start?
car content, we had plenty of it. But oh my god, look at the spec of that. Well, that's much more easier to get into. What a spec. I love it. Look at all these people. The car is cool, but I'm sure they all came for the coffee. And then, randomly, it's like, hello. Oh, look at that. Naked carbon fiber wire. There's also very nice Litchfield GTR, GT86, a van without the Gert wing sauce. Is that a Spider too? So we made it to Shedfest. The XJS with the V12 has survived, has brought me here, and it's definitely already the car of the show. Familiar faces and familiar, not so familiar places, new places. But how are you doing? Good to see you. What did you bring? The Ferrari?
Yeah, Ferrari-ish.
Nice, nice.
Honda NSX.
Yeah. When are we taking that for a lap of the ring then?
It'd be good round there as well.
Yeah, we should. We should.
Have you ever been in one?
No.
Very good.
I was yesterday in the OG NS6. That was fun.
Yeah,
that was. Yeah.
Those are a lot rarer than the OG ones.
Yes. Yeah. We should definitely try it. Oh, there's something happening at the stage. Let's have a look.
Yes, very good. We are going to be having quite an event today. We're giving a car away, Volvo V70.
Yes, I see that. That's the antique dealer's best friend. I mean, you could get it is.
Big crew.
Again.
Misha, are you? Oh, mate, thanks for coming. Hello. Hello. Yeah.
Hi, Misha's vlog.
Hi.
It's Taylor Henry.
Good, how are you?
I just flew in 2 hours ago.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Rory took me to some shady food place.
Don't say we don't give you anything, Misha.
That's amazing. No, I love it. Everyone's saying like, oh, you're so expensive to book. I had a podcast yesterday with Ben Fowler. He's like, oh, how much did Podium pay you to get here? Like, nothing? Food?
That's all we offer, Misha.
Yeah, exactly, that's all we need. So what do we have?
This is Costco's finest.
Okay.
So this is some chicken. I think that's falafel. There's
Classic sandwich platter.
Yeah, and then that looks like someone's thrown up, and that's probably some salad that's probably gone off because it's in,
Do you have
in the
any
sun.
tuna fish? Because you know that you can tune a car, but you cannot tune a fish.
Also, we've been joined now by Misha. Misha Charoudin, all the way from the Nürburgring himself. Give a round of applause for Misha.
Hello. Oh my God, it's Phil. Hopefully we will do a lap with it one day, because so far we haven't. Sad. Ooh, beautiful. I love this one. Very, very cool. Ooh. I like the forged carbon.
Thank you.
It's nice. Very good job.
It's a lot of work.
I can imagine. So people can get it from you, or like what's the...
Yeah.
Alright. Nice. So you can do the normal and the forged one, huh? Fancy. That's so awesome.
Good luck for 24.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thanks, mate.
Awesome. Thank
Cheers,
you.
mate.
Thank you so much. Nice meeting you. Yeah, of course. That's it. Have a good day. Nice meeting you. Hi.
Can I take a picture?
Yeah, of course. Of course.
Amazing, man.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So what's the deal?
800,000 miles.
800,000 miles. Wow. That's million-mile Volvo. Hello.
Where's your bags?
Which bags?
What, if you just come wearing a hoodie and that's it?
Why not? So we are at Burgers and Beamers and McLarens and Ferraris and Lambos. They should have done Lamb Rex and Lambos.
Yeah, or
Steaks and Silverados.
yes.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
That's nice. And
gold.
CS wheels.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Ooh, hello. Seen this car before? What's the best burger today on the menu?
Have one of each.
Nice. That's a good
choice.
Do you have dessert?
Why choose?
Do you have dessert?
They have some desserts too. But
Oh,
they've got
yes.
coffee and dessert in there.
Yes, amazing. Amazing. Very, very good. Oh yeah. Let's jump straight into it. Hello. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Forget about cars, man. That's what it's all about. Raw sauce.
Yours.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Mmm, that soft brioche bun. Describe it. If that was a car, what would it be?
That is a supercharged E92 of burgers.
They were actually so good that we had to get a second one. That is sick. Wow.
Very nice.
Sick. Ooh. Nice. We would like to get some coffee, but also here we have some tasty cars. CSL, CRT, E46. Is that a... No, it's not a CSL. It doesn't have a duck wing. But look at that. Style. Z8. Beautiful. And that's probably even sicker, in my opinion. The Z3M Coupe. Actually, if I would to build a resto mod or something crazy, maybe that would be something I would build. Because of course they made a Z4 GT3 that raced VLN and 24 hours, of course, races. But imagine this having GT3 body kit. Massive wing, wide body, it's already pretty wide, like really high horsepower, naturally aspirated engine. Maybe a Judd V8. Someone wants to build one? Can make it happen. Just need the funds. So, this is also something nice that I wouldn't mind driving. M2, because we've driven this, and the video actually went live today of that particular car. I wonder what's underneath. All right, back to the coffee. I think for you,
Baby Chino.
Baby Chino with pumpkin spice.
Mm.
Describe it.
Succulent, delicate,
delicatessen.
I think it's an absolute baller move to bring a BMW to a BMW meeting.
Yeah.
Ah, look at that! It's the Black Magic Transport.
The world's best taxi.
Yes.
What?
Oh, look at the sunset. So
Can't see
romantic.
anything. It's amazing.
So what kind of coffee we're gonna get?
Well, I was gonna get one that's fizzy and tastes like hops.
Oh, I'm gonna get a machine because that's what they serve here. Right?
Yeah, only caffeine and machine.
Yeah, okay. Lots of BMWs and very good burgers, but now we are back at the Nürburgring. Bye, I guess that's the end of the vlog. Oh, no, that's the end of the vlog. Food shot. Bam.